Hello all, welcome back.
Yeah.
So in today's session, I will let you know how can we use the tax condition types. Okay. So in the standard, we use the tax condition type for the foreign clients is nothing but MWST. So now let me open SAP. See what is the condition type, tax condition type we use for the foreign clients? It is MWST. This one, MWST. Okay. So if we would like to use this, we have to make some configuration changes. I will let you know how can we make the changes and how can we place the MWST in our pricing procedure to use it in the sales document. Okay.
Okay.
So the standard tax condition type for the foreign client is MWST, right? And the standard tax condition types for the Indian client is nothing but JOIG, JOCG, and JOSG, Gen. These three are the tax condition types we use for the Indian client. Okay. So we use JOIG for integrated GST, IGST. Okay. And JOCG is for CGST. And the first one is for IGST. This is what is the integrated GST and this is what is the central GST. Okay, and JOSG is used for state GST. Okay, or we can also call it as SGST. Okay. See here, IGST will come into the picture if the state means if the sale is between two states. If the sale is between two states, then IGST will come into the picture. And CGST and SGST will come into the picture if the sale is within the state. Okay, this is what is the main difference between IGST and here CGST and SGST. So I think you are clear with them. So these are the JOIG, JOCG and JOSG are the condition types we use for the Indian client and MWST is used for the foreign clients. Okay. Now I will let you know the configuration for the tax condition type MWST. So now let me go through the transaction OBBG. See this one. So if you have to configure this, then you have to follow the steps what I am telling here. You have to go through the transaction OBBG. This is the transaction. Okay. So now let me go through it. Then here our country is IN. Okay. See here for the country IN. What is the procedure here? We will use the tax procedure here TAXD. Okay. What is the TAXD? This one. Now let me save it. Okay. So here you have assigned the calculation procedure to the country. So our tax classification, our tax calculation procedure is TAXD, and we have assigned it to our country IN. And here it is the responsibility of the FI consultants to create this tax classification procedure. Here we are using TAXD, right? This is what will be created by the FI people. Okay. So now let me go back here and let me go through the transaction FTXP. Okay, the transaction is this one, FTXP. Okay, so here we have to give the country as IN. Here in our case, it is IN. And see here the tax code.
Okay.
So we can define a new tax code here, M1. So it is what is the MWST output tax. Okay. And see here we have to give the tax type also. The tax type is A because it is the output tax, right? See here, if the tax type is A, it is the output tax, and if it is V, then it is the input tax. Okay, so here the tax type is A. Okay, then you have to click on enter and you have to save it. See now the tax code M1 got created, right? So now what you have to do, this is what is the tax condition type, MWST. We have placed it in the pricing procedure. Okay, for which we have to use the requirement as 10 and the base type formula is 16 and account key is MWS. So I will let you know about all these things in the next session, but for now what you have to do is you have to give the requirement for the MWST is 10 and base type formula as 16 and account key as MWS. Okay. So now let me save it, but before that let me give the from as 10 and here the, or else the output tax has to be get calculated on only net value, right? So now let me give 170. Okay, from 170 to 170. So it will get calculated on the net value only. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to create the condition. So now let me go through week 11 and here our condition is MWST, domestic taxes. So here country and tax classification one of the customer is 1 and this is what is tax classification of the material is also 1. Okay. So here the the tax percentage is 15 and the tax code is 1. So now let me save it and let me create the sales. And if we go inside this one to the conditions, see here the MWST is coming, right? And here the percentage is 15. So 15% on net value. So here the tax will get calculated on the net value. Okay. So let me go through the calculator here. See how much percentage it's getting calculated. 15%, right? So here 15% of what is the net value? 270. 270. So how much it will be? 40.50. So 40 rupees 50 paisa. This is the tax. Okay. And see, we can see the tax in this column, tax column. See here, this one. Okay, we can see here in the same way we can see the tax here in this.
Okay.
Okay, so I think you are clear.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, then if you have any queries in this regard to use the
Mm.
tax condition type MWST, please let me know.
Mm.